Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
The European Union has proposed a total ban on Russian oil imports, including cutting out crude within 6 months, as it seeks to step up the pressure on the Kremlin over the invasion of Ukraine. US stock indexes inched higher at open following positive earnings from companies including Starbucks and Advanced Micro Devices, while investors brace for the biggest US interest rate hike since May 2000. Binance has been granted approval from regulators to operate its cryptocurrency exchange in France. The company is now listed as a registered digital asset service provider by the French stock market watchdog AMF. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw Volkswagen stock gain 0.4%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.9% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Australia's exports will be released at 0130 GMT, the US unit labour costs at 1230 GMT, and the US initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT. The French industrial output will be released at 0645 GMT, Germany's factory orders at 0600 GMT, and the UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.